Hey guys, what is up? Today I am gonna make a new Transformers animation. So I deleted pictures and some of my games to make space for it. So these are all the Transformers I'm gonna be using today. So let's get started with the video. What is this place? What am I doing here? What? I think I've been knocked out or something. Lockdown, you're here to die. You've killed too many Autobots. You are the worst person ever. You did it. You've crossed the line. Now you must pay. Shing! Now you're going to die like the rest of your Autobot scums. I gotta go and transform and escape. Oh no, you don't escape from me. Tell me where he's hiding. Where is Optimus Prime? Never.